Fiber to fabric. Hello friends, I am Geetika Bajaj, student of class 6th. Today I am with you with another important topic of science, fiber to fabric. That is how fibers shape into fabrics. Fibers give us yarn and yarn gives us fabric. Friends, we wear clothes to look good and also to protect our bodies against weather and insects. The kind of clothes people wear mainly depends on the climate of the place. The traditional clothes vary from region to region. Before clothes were invented, people used to cover their bodies with leaves and skins of animals. Types of cloth material. If we feel a cloth or its fabric, we find it is cotton, silk, or jute. Cotton is a soft fiber. It is light and reasonably smooth. Wool is fluffy. Silk is smooth and shiny. Synthetic cloth is light and smooth. Cotton, wool, silk, and synthetic cloth are the main materials from which clothes are made these days. Synthetic material is often mixed with cotton or wool. Cotton. If we cut a small piece of cotton fabric using scissors, we notice that cloth is made up of number of threads woven together. Cotton is good for hot and humid weather as they breathe and absorb sweat. For growing cotton, black soil and aloe vera weather is required. On maturing of cotton crop, cotton balls burst open. Fibers are then separated from the seeds by combing. This process is called ginning. Earlier it was done by hands. Nowadays it is done by machines. The fibers are then spun into yarn by drawing out and twisting the fiber together. The process of making yarn from fiber is known as spinning. Spinning in India was done on machines. Art- Spinning in India was done on hand spindle, that is takli, and on wheel charka. Nowadays, machines are used. Our fabric is made up of two sets of yarns arranged together. This is done by weaving. This is done on looms. Cotton cloth is soft and it lets air in it. It absorbs sweat. A cloth that lets air in it, it is said to breathe. The advantage of cotton cloth is that the evaporation of sweat takes place. This results in cooling down the body. Cotton clothes are therefore comfortable to wear. Denim used in making jeans is also made from cotton. Wool. Wool is fluffy and retains air and hence retains heat. Wool is the fiber derived from the hair of the sheep or some other animals. Removing wool from sheep using clippers is called shearing. After shearing, wool is packed in bales and taken to mills. Here it is cleaned, combed, and spun into fibers. This fiber is then used to make woolen clothes. Silk. Silk is smooth and shiny. Silk is obtained from the cocoon of silkworm. Silkworms are fed on the leaves of mulberry trees. Each worm spins a continuous thread. Cocoon is boiled in water and silk fiber is taken out. The rearing of silkworm for production of silk is called sericulture. Jute. Jute is a long soft fiber that can be spun into a coarse, rough and strong thread. It is produced from the stem of the jute plant. It is one of the cheapest natural fibers. It grows in warm humid climate where there is plenty of rainfall. About 85% of jute production is in India. After harvesting, the stalks of the plants are tied into bundles and soaked in water, and after drying, it is then used. Synthetic fiber. Nylon and polyester are the synthetic fibers. They are actually plastics made from chemicals obtained from petroleum. Clothes made from the synthetic fibers are stronger and don't wrinkle easily. They have less air space in them, so they cannot absorb sweat and are not suitable for hot and humid weather conditions. So, to revise, we can say ginning is the process of separating cotton from the seeds. Spinning is the process of making yarn from fibers. Shearing is removing the wool from sheep. And sericulture is the rearing of silkworm. Now, let's have a look on concept map. Types of fiber. Synthetic fibers. Nylon obtained from petroleum. Polyester obtained from petroleum. Natural fibers. Cotton obtained from balls of cotton plant. Wool obtained from fleece of sheep. Silk obtained from cocoon of silkworm. Jute obtained from stem of jute plant. Like, share and subscribe. Friends, if you like my today's video, so do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.